How's everybody doing? I am Mr. Ryan and welcome today to Craft Time! So, today we are making a fun little basketball craft. Your finished product will look something like so. So we've got our cup attached to our string and it's actually a game where you try and swing the ball into the cup. But enough on that, let's get to making. So, our assorted items that we will need today, we are going to have tape, we will have our paper cup, which will also contain our ping pong ball, we've got our string, a chopstick, some scissors, a Sharpie, and an orange marker. So, the first thing that we are going to do is we are going to draw our basketball lines on our ping pong ball. So you're just going to make a nice, easy line down the center. Just like that. We're going to make another line going across the other direction here. Alright, and our last set of lines, we're going to go just off the center of our cross here. We're going to make a little hatch there and another one there so we know where to start. And then we're just going to take it, we're going to go one side and then the other. So we're going to come and then we're going to swoop up just a little bit. And then come across, swoop back down. Do the same on this side. So I'm going to take it, swoop up just a little bit. Come across. Swoop again on back. We're going to do the same on this side. Alright, so now we have our basketball. So we're going to set this off to the side for just a second. We're going to start working with our cup. So now we are going to draw the lines on our cup. We're going to start from the top. We're going to make diagonal lines going this way. And just keep putting those down one after the other. Alright, now that we have our first set, we're going to go in the opposite direction. Now we're going to have our net. Just to make it look a little more authentic, we're going to take our orange marker here. Just under the lip, we're going to color our rim of our basketball goal on. And I'm just doing a thin one right now. If you want to get it a little bit wider, feel free to do so. Alright. Now comes a little bit trickier part. We're going to take our scissors here and about a third of the way from the bottom, we're just going to make a very small indentation. We're going to take our chopstick and go right through there. And you know what? We're going to go ahead and make an indentation on the other side as well, just to make this easier. Excellent. So we're going to go ahead and take this out for just a second because we need to work with the bottom as well. So we already have our holes preset. We're going to put another hole right into the bottom of this thing. And this is where our string is going to go through. So we're going to take the end of our string here, put it through the bottom of the hole. You can pull a little bit through. We're going to take it probably 2 pieces of tape. We're going to tape it right onto the bottom of our cup. So now, the string isn't going to pull itself back through. So we got that part done. And we can go ahead and reapply this chopstick back through. I'm going to take a little bit of tape and just go around the outsides of the chopstick here. That way, the cup won't spin around this thing when we're trying to play our game. Alright, close those scissors over there for safety. And our last bit, we're going to tape the other side of our string onto our basketball. Now go ahead and throw a second piece on this one just so it doesn't pop off when you're trying to play again. And there you have it. We have our craft. So, as far as playing the game is concerned, you'll hang it there and then you're going to swing it and try and make it in the cup. So, I hope you have enjoyed craft time today. We are actually going to be distributing these crafts through our little free library just like we did with some other stuff this week, so keep an eye out for that. Enjoy, and hopefully we'll see you again soon.